Hello, people from the Pitside crew. It is the second adventure of our Pitside boys. It is super early, and as you can see, it is who is it? It's the new member. I mean, it's the old member, but he's made his first appearance today. But yes, I will catch you all in a bit. We are on the way to Mr. Sid's house.
Yes.
I still cannot figure out how to fucking flip this camera. So I'm just gonna talk to you all like this and hope I'm in frame. So guys, it's been a total of 5 minutes of travel time and we have already put our first stop. Let's go, off to a very good start.
Best lap time.
5 minutes guys. It's been 5 minutes. Everyone's still asleep.
Bro, I had 2 hours of sleep, bro. So go there and pass the fuck out.
What do you have to say for yourself? Okay, updates. Updates will come soon. Hey. Road trip! We were like chilling at like 140. 120, 140. Scariest thing of my life now.
Right, good morning.
Good morning.
Vibes are little low.
Sleepy.
Oh fuck yeah, there are 2 bikes in that.
We should definitely get one.
Malapa, Konda.
Hey, that is Ishan's.
We are faster, bitch.
Actually, give him one call.
We are faster.
Tell him his bike won't arrive by the time he has to race. Bro.
Hello.
We just crossed your this thing, your transportation guy.
Which?
Your transportation guy, the guy who's taking our bike. No, we just
Winger.
crossed it. The
Oh
Winger.
yeah, correct.
We just crossed him on the highway.
We'll reach tomorrow.
Yeah, I don't think you'll get a chance to ride. If he drives at this pace, then little bit it'll come tomorrow.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Sid is shaking that knob. Oh yeah. Auntie.
Suddenly I've seen nothing and then I've seen fucking one massive red bus.
You want some smoke? You wanna fight? Come bro, fight me bro. Fight me bro.
Fight me. I am thinking who is talking.
He's come off full clothes also, dad.
Right. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another adventure of Pitside, and we are here at Malapa Konda, and we are doing the hill climb today. So, unloading the bike right now, trying to get things ready before we start the entire event. Let's go.
Yeah, he has a stiff shoulder.
Yeah, I can't.
For no reason. I can't exactly. Yes, energy filled intro, let's go.
Laura Millen is standing like on peak.
Energy filled intro, let's go.
Now the problem is I don't know which one is tight and which one is loose.
What do you mean?
Crazy it'll be if we can't get the bike only off the road.
There's few boys over there.
Boys are pulled up.
We are currently doing a recce in the truck for some reason. He's chilling.
You're not supposed to show my face.
Dangerous activities.
50M.
See these. This is also the lens.
Lens meet lens.
Lens made lens. Yes. I'm going to attempt to stand. Standing is a little hard, not gonna lie.
No, you'll fall, I think. Yeah.
This is the hill. My cap is gonna fly off actually. Yes. Dunya! You feel like it. I'm the king of the world, Jack! Hold me! Damn, this would have been fun on the ADV, bro.
How many people told you fucking come?
All of them. All of them told me to come, but I didn't listen to anyone because my ADV is fucked.
Oh yeah, it's picking up. Oh yeah, big fine, man.
My cap! Keep going! Keep going!
Straight. And stop it, hold it. Yeah, we got the cap. We got the cap. We got the cap.
My cap!
Look on top. You hold your cap.
I'll put it backwards now actually.
I've
been trying to hit the fucking
So don't hit the apex. There is really no point. Yeah, that's why I said the middle. No, where the turn goes up, it's suddenly flat and concrete. Don't go into the stones. You say 8 feet, and keep your bike within.
He's a learning man.
2 and 4 feet.
Look at that concentration.
Okay, so then when you brake,
In those
you
eyes.
go a little wide,
Damn.
and then turn into the flat.
Concentration.
Where exactly is the flat though?
Yeah, where? Where is the flat?
Here, see. This is the entry into the corner.
He's annoyed with him because he doesn't know how to listen.
So right at the middle of the
He doesn't know only.
this
Look at him, he's
corner
pissed.
itself is the
He's gonna slap him.
flat part. So you can try using that. Otherwise, I mean, for your bike, it will be a different line also. Varies.
Because right now, even I feel like I'm braking way too much where there's I saw what you're doing.
Exactly. So that is one thing you have to keep in mind. You have to downshift into either first or
Yeah, you have
keep
to
it very high
downshift.
up in second.
Correct.
Yeah, I have Kishore in the house.
Yes. Cameraception.
How many cameras is too many
Cameraception. 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 Oh, one more camera. One more camera. One more camera. What are you doing? Oh, one more camera. One more camera.
Two right on the high camera.
Yes.
What the fuck?
Camera crew, bro. What do you think?
I feel like a celebrity.
Too bad, bro. Even celebrities don't
Hi,
have
sir.
high
Big fan,
cameras.
big fan. Big fan, big fan, big fan. Sir.
Hey.
I don't really know you.
Oh, there is like this thing. Bike is in very good condition.
Oh, yeah.
It's a radiator.
No, it's like it's only had 6 owners on paper. It's in very good condition.
On paper.
When you see 100 on the dash, no, you just press the switch. Craig has asked, what is this?
For me, it's on all the time. When I
Actually, this is the bike didn't have a thermostat.
This is actually.
So when it reaches 100, you have to turn on the radiator.
Manually.
Vibes.
both are on the same key, whether one is for this type, one is for this.
Wow.
I was actually wanting to show the fucking bed.
That's why I recognize it. That's for the ignition. That other one's for the fuel
This
cap.
one is for ignition.
Yeah.
And this one is for cap.
Yeah.
You forgot to turn on the radiator before you
Yeah, exactly. Forgot to switch it on, bro. My cap will fly off.
His engine is held together by. It's actually.
It was a scrutineering from MMRT, okay.
He's lying actually. He doesn't have any engine mounts. That's his engine.
It's held on by that one tie.
Can we put on a camera and race?
Sorry, I'll do the plan.
I think I'm putting two cameras on my bike.
I don't think you can put it during the race.
it. Oh, it went. Again, came. It went. It came.
That's the power, right, bro?
No, that happened.
That is just
only,
happening now.
That happened only yesterday.
No registration.
Oh, what a heavy ass camera, bro.
Massive also that body.
No, I thought on for
Girthy, bro.
You have extra one of these.
Nope.
It's not my cam.
Good luck.
Oh yes, sir.
This one spins around, that's the issue.
Hey, that is fine. Once it locks in, it.
Peace, da 360.
Either, but it's too fat to be inside that.
Wow,
That's what she said.
Walk alone now. Go off.
Hey, what happened to your other boys, man? The other boys, they coming?
Actually, we are the other way.
It's a registration time. I'm not registering. I'm actually just here existing.
That's the best thing ever. Hey, plenty of pens are there.
Sir, autograph, sir. Sir, autograph. Oh, sorry, wrong person. Sir, autograph, sir. Sir, autograph.
Wait. Oh fuck! I actually put one mark on the other thing.
Looks like he's writing exams.
Sir, this is actually 5-mark answer. Write properly. No cheating. No cheating. Open book exam you're doing, you still can't write properly. See, he's fucked it over there, see?
Pit mechanic, you.
Yeah.
See, KTM.
Yeah, you can't see your what? Huh? You only bought off the wrong bike and come. I have my name and all on the cap, can't see your what? I'm official.
You're showing KTM actually.
Oh, hey.
Hey, other side, da, loud. Hey, here, da, it is. It's in front.
I thought you wanted to see it.
Kishloy is making his debut on screen.
Yeah. So, hello guys, welcome to Pitside Co. And today we are here to morally support Sid. And I forgot his name.
He's walking past that too.
The only thing I remember about him is he misses exits on the highway.
And his tires are bald.
Yeah, his tires are bald.
He jumps on the house.
And he jumps on the speed breakers. He doesn't wait for them. I mean, I feel home. The jungles.
Okay, guys, nice trip. Come pack up. Time to leave. Let's go.
Yeah, leaving.
Where
We need to go pick the bike.
You're getting off.
Taking him and gone.
Bye.
Mazdoor.
With your back, not your legs.
Oh shit, my bad.
When you don't participate, this is what you do. Done now? Yeah. What number you got?
16. They don't give this thing, competition numbers. It's all pre-selected for you. I don't know. Second one they gave you.
Yeah.
16.
Or 91.
Mine is 4.
Oh.
Nice.
Where, bro? You left your fridge partner over there. Huh?
Oh shit.
He tried before. He tried in front of photographer.
Ultra wild. Papa Sar's favorite mod ever. Yeah, this is his favorite. Yeah, Papa Sar would approve. The fake Rossi. There's a confused, Anirudh?
Every year, same.
I mean, my first time here. I'm happy that my man is here.
Idiot fellow.
helmet